guys, I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious basil pesto chickpea salad that you can put on a sandwich, just like this one. This is seriously everything you want in a sandwich on sourdough. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this. Let's get started. Okay, so first let's get started with the ingredients. We have one 19-ounce can of chickpeas. We've got 1 large clove of garlic minced. We've got a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 3 heaping tablespoons of vegan basil pesto, 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil. We've got the juice of half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. I have salt, pepper, and chili flakes to taste, and 1/2 tablespoon of Italian spice blend. So that's our ingredients to get started on the mixture. So in a medium mixing bowl, I'm going to throw in my 19-ounce can of rinsed and drained chickpeas and mash them up pretty thoroughly, although I do want to leave a couple of chickpea halves behind just for a little bit of texture, so you can see there's a little bit of texture and consistency left behind there. It's up to you. You can mash it to your preferred consistency. Then we've got our salt, pepper, chili flakes, and Italian spice. We've got our 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. We've got a large clove of minced garlic. I'm throwing everything in this bowl together. We've got 3 tablespoons of vegan pesto. And then we're going to add in our lemon. So I'm going to put the juice of 1/2 lemon in here. Fresh is always best, and you're going to need a fresh lemon anyways for the zest. So you might as well use that fresh lemon juice. It's so good. So I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon zest. So I'm going to be using the skin of that lemon to get some fresh lemon zest in there, which really enhances the flavor. I just love this in here. So just keep going until you get about 2 tablespoons on there. It doesn't have to be exact. And then I have my 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped basil. I'm going to mix that all in together. I don't want to be too rough with it, but I want to make sure that all the ingredients are super well mixed in this all together. So give that a really nice mix. Now you can check the consistency I've got there. Everything is really well mixed and well coated together. Now this mixture that we've made can be served on a lettuce wrap. It can be used as a side salad. It can be used as a dip for crackers, grilled in a wrap. It can be used on a bed of lettuce as a salad, but I'm going to show you guys the best way. So it's on grilled sourdough, at least in my opinion, this is the best way. So I'm going to thinly spread a little bit of either vegan butter or vegan mayo on the outside of my sourdough. So I've got 2 slices here. I'm going to do that on both slices. You don't need a ton, just a nice thin little layer so it's not going to stick to the pan and it's going to grill nicely. Now in a pan on medium heat, I'm going to grill both sides of the bread, but I'm just putting the vegan mayo on the one side because I don't feel like I need it on both. However, you totally could. And then you can serve that with lettuce and tomato. So I'm going to start assembling my delicious sandwich here. So first I'm going to put a nice generous layer of the chickpea mixture on my sourdough. I'm just going to spread that around and make sure that it is kind of sticking to the bread. I haven't put quite enough on there. I'm going to add a little bit more. You want to make sure you're tasting this because all the other ingredients are just there to enhance, but this chickpea mixture is the main event. So then I'm going to throw my tomato slices on top and fresh basil, more fresh basil leaves. So you have fresh basil anyways, you might as well throw a little extra on there. It tastes so good with tons of basil if you're a big fan of basil like myself. And then of course I'm going to add some fresh ground black pepper. And I'm going to add balsamic reduction onto this, which really takes it up a notch too. Last but not least, I'm going to put on a piece of fresh lettuce and I'm going to put the topping onto my chickpea basil pesto sandwich. So that is actually now ready to serve. I'm going to cut that in half. Ooh, you can hear that nice crispy crunch. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Now check this out. We've got everything perfectly layered. Okay, and now it's time for the best part, which is the taste test. So excited to dive into this sandwich. I am so hungry. That is amazing. Chef's kiss of approval. I'm so excited to finish this sandwich. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video and you want to see more vegan video recipes like this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.